A taste of tacos for breakfast will get your day started with these easy to make mini quiches. Can I just tell you how much I love taco everything? I mean, I have many taco recipes on this channel, and I've even taken taco night leftovers to the next level with my taco pizza, taco pasta, breakfast tacos, salads, you know what I mean. But today's great idea is one that I just love because it's a high protein breakfast that I can whip together quickly before cleaning up from taco night. I'm making an entire 24 mini muffin pan of taco cups today, so I'm going to prepare this by giving it a quick spray. To get these taco cups started, I'm going to whisk my eggs and add a tidbit of milk to thin it out. I also have some taco meat left over here that I'm simply going to add into the egg mixture. In addition, I'm going to add some salsa, but you can add pico de gallo and some cheese. With a measuring scoop, I'm just simply going to fill my mini muffin tray. And now that these are ready, in the oven they go for 18 to 20 minutes. One of the reasons I usually make these at night after dinner is because that way I don't have to store taco night leftovers. I simply repurpose them immediately into another meal. These taco cups are great for breakfast or even for lunch because they are high in protein, they're portable, and they can be eaten warm or at room temperature. Plus, they are bite-sized, so they're that much more fun to eat. For the recipe, click the link right below this video in the description box. If you want more recipes like this one, I'd love to send you some, so make sure to click the red subscribe button. A new recipe comes out every single week. See you next time.